So it's the 4th of July. It's about 6:30, almost 7 o'clock, somewhere around there. I told my son to set up the fire pit so we can make some s'mores, do some hot dogs and everything, wait for the fireworks, which will be somewhere over in here. Usually they're pretty big. They have been the last few nights. So we're gonna let off some of ours, watch a little bit of everybody else's, just have a good time, maybe get in the pool, maybe drink a cold beer or two. But he's getting ready to light up the fire pit. So we're gonna share it with you guys. So to all the vets and everything, and everybody else out there, that anybody we forgot, we want to say thank you for your service, and thank you for defending our country, and God bless America. Thanks. And if you want to, look down there and click subscribe to subscribe to our channel. There's going to be a whole lot of videos because me and my wife, we do a whole lot of things. Thanks. Happy 4th of July to everybody.